Welcome. Take a deep breath, slowly in and gently out. This is your time. This is your safe space. You are here now, and everything is okay. Let go of the day. Let go of the thoughts. Let go of the noise. You are safe now. Tonight, I am here with you. You are not alone. You are not in danger. Nothing is expected from you right now. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to fix anything. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to just be. Take another deep breath. Imagine your breath like a soft wind moving through your body. As you breathe out, release the tension. Let it go. Let your shoulders relax. Let your hands rest. Let your jaw soften. You are safe now. Sometimes we carry worry like a heavy bag. We forget to put it down. But now it's time. Let go of the heavy thoughts. You are not your thoughts. You are not your fear. You are not your past. Right now, you are only breath. You are peace. You are here. Close your eyes. Feel the soft pillow under your head. Feel the blanket covering your body. Feel the air around you. This is your moment. This is your space. You are safe now. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back. Back to the breath, back to this voice, back to the calm. Let this moment hold you like a hug. Let this voice remind you that you are cared for. You are safe now. There is no need to rush, no need to try. You are enough just as you are. You don't have to prove anything. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. You are safe now. Your heart may be tired. It's okay. It has done its best. Your body may be tired. It deserves rest. Your mind may be noisy. Let it soften. You are safe now. In this moment, there is only peace. In this moment, you are allowed to fall apart. You are allowed to let go. You are allowed to feel nothing. You are allowed to feel everything. This is your time, a time to rest, a time to heal. You are safe now. Repeat gently in your mind. I am safe. I am calm. I let go. I am held. I am enough. Let these words float like feathers in your heart. Let them settle into your soul. You are safe now. Tonight, sleep will come like a soft wave. It will wash over you gently. Let it carry you. Let it rock you. Let it hold you. You are safe now. I am with you, and you are never alone. Good night. You are safe now.